Firstly, Sachin, congratulations on your placement. Can you tell us a bit more about where you've been placed and your job role?
I am Sachin Pathak. I am an automobile engineer, pursued in 2020, and I then opted for this post-graduation hybrid electric vehicle course from the Skill-Lync to pursue some knowledge about software. As I have a keen interest in automotive field as per emerging automotive field in electric vehicles, so I opted for this hybrid electric vehicle course. And after this course, I got placed into Tata Elxsi.
Okay. And can you tell us a bit more about what you will be doing in this job role?
I'll be doing like modeling the logics of the ADAS features and modeling the systems. Basically, application software will be developed on the Simulink platform and run on basis of the test harness and all.
And can you describe to us how studying a skilling course was different from studying your undergraduation?
In college or like under graduation, it was like only theoretical knowledge, but over here it was like software as well as the application of software in real life. In videos it was explained like how it is applied in real world and how we are emerging with that and increasing new technology, how we are implementing that. So it was very beneficial after joining the Skill-Lync and increasing my knowledge mainly in electric vehicle domain.
Can you tell us a bit more about the similarities of the mock interviews and tool tests that you took at Skilling and that which you took up during your interview at Tata Elxsi?
The mock interviews was very tough, like as will happen in the actual interview, so it helped me out to get prepared for actual interview. The questions which were asked by the industrial expert was very good and was very helpful me to understand where I am lacking so I can improve for the actual interview. And also the tool test question was very good. Means it was like you are doing an industrial project. It was like that, so it was very helpful to get familiar with the software even before going to the industrial projects and working over there.
Okay. Can you give us a couple of examples of the questions that were asked to you during your interview at Tata Elxsi?
The questions which were asked me during the tool test and interview was like what is MATLAB, why we use MATLAB, and what is the use of MATLAB, because there are many softwares available in market, why we use particularly MATLAB only and Simulink platform to build model based development, what is the benefit of using, and various features about MATLAB, why we use solver configurations. All the basic fundamentals of MATLAB was asked, because as we are going to work on MATLAB and Simulink, and we should know about that. So the main questions and the prime focus was on fundamentals.
All right. And how do you think the projects that you did at Skilling is relevant to the job that you got at Tata Elxsi?
The projects which we did in Skill-Lync was very helpful because it started from like we are executing each and every features which were explained earlier in the videos by making use of each and every features, like small to small features, and also the features which were very new and not explained in the video. It was challenge to us that we can use much more features instead of the videos, so it was helpful for us to work on projects which are like prototypes of the industrial projects which we were doing. So it was very challenging also and able to learn more things out of that project.
How do you think your understanding of the domain has changed after the course at Skilling?
Frankly, I'll be speaking that I am a mechanical engineer from a mechanical background and I opted for the electrical course. So it was very helpful because as soon as I joined this course, it started from the electrical basics. So even if a mechanical guy joins this course, it will be helpful for him to grow from zero level to a intermediate level. The video is designed such a in a nice way that it could help a mechanical guy also to make a future in or career in this electrical vehicles.
So we now come to our last question. Would you recommend Skilling to your friends? And if so, why?
Yeah, I will recommend Skill-Lync to my friends and all my colleagues, which will be I am familiar with, because it's very helpful for a freshers also and even experienced person to get idea about the software if he wants to grow his career in electrical vehicle side or CFD domain or FE domain, because it is a very good and have very informative videos are there in Skill-Lync, from where they can begin with beginner level and they can finish with the intermediate level, and even they can get certified also. It's a very good thing for them, and they
Right.
get industrial exposures also from industrial expert videos.
Thank you so much for taking the time off to talk to us, Sachin. Congratulations on your placement again, and we hope you come back to study more with us and further yourself in your career. Thank you.
Thank you so much.